Next thing, jelly, bean jelly, Kinjo Saikai Imo Yakan. Ingredients: sugar bean, jam, millet, jelly, sweet potato, agar-agar, sweetener, flavor, color. Okay. This just looks like a bar of diabetes, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Ugh. Ugh. It's all gooey. This starts out good, but then it just ends up tasting like beans. And you don't want a sweet to taste like beans. Like most of the stuff, I don't actually know what to say. I'm so like, I'm speechless. I have no words. But this, I think I would get about maybe at most halfway through this before throwing up, because it's just so wrong. It's completely alright. Like, I don't know why people would ingest this. It's so solid. This isn't jelly. This is... It's like, yeah, it's like agar jelly. Yeah. Agar. This looks like the type of jelly that you put, like, that you let bacteria grow on, and then you get to, like, see all their cultures. But no, it should not be eaten. No. Pocari Sweat. I don't actually think they thought about what this would actually mean. This is the kind of product that I think they just stuck whatever this says in Google Search and Google Translate and just put it on in English about, like, just whatever it says. Iron supply drink. So it's like an isotonic drink. Ingredients: water, sugar, citric acid, vitamin C, vitamin C. Made in Taiwan. So it's not even technically Japanese. Okay. Here we got some air escape. Is that carbonated? Is it not? Probably not. Maybe. Nuh-uh. Nope. That's horrible. No. Yeah. It actually tastes like sweat. Well, what I imagine sweat tastes like, yeah. Can I just imagine that there's like a Japanese tribe or something like that called the Pocari, and like maybe in like Japanese culture, it's said that the sweat of the Pocari is beneficial to health, and so they did this because Asia. But no, that's unpleasant. This was 50 cents, and I have no idea what it is. Every bit of writing on here is Japanese. But it looks like a cake, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. It's got the kind of, oh, it's got a squidginess of cake. Yep. Okay. It's okay. This is like butter flavored cake. It's got the softness of a sponge, but it tastes like butter. It tastes like I'm eating butter cake, which isn't necessarily bad, seeing as it's so tiny that this is artery clogging. It's not the worst thing I've eaten. It's all layered. It's kind of cool. I think on every layer they just put a slather of butter, and then like squished it together and froze it. Yep. Butter flavored cake. And finally, this. Which, if I hadn't read this at the store, I would not have any idea what this is. I would presume it would be toothpaste, but the sign said bubble gum. So this is bubble gum in a toothpaste container. Which kind of is the opposite of the point. Okay. It's sticky. You can't chew that. Don't even blow bubbles for that. That is, if you try to chew this, it will stick to your teeth, and you can literally feel the sugar. Also, it takes freaking effort to get it out of the tube. It smells like kitty toothpaste though. This is like the opposite of kitty toothpaste in terms of benefit. Like, this is bad for your teeth. This is bad. Like, I actually want to go brush my teeth right now because I can just feel sugar coating my teeth. These are oddly Moorish, actually. Please take separate bite and chew before swallowing. They're disgusting, but I want to eat more.